Hey, this is Mark with Coefficient. So can you encapsulate and not install a dehumidifier? Well, code will certainly allow you to do that using your HVAC unit as a supply and a return for the crawl space. But what we find is during the summer months, it can't do quite enough to control that humidity in the crawl space, and it's not going to prevent mold from coming back. The dehumidifier is the heart of any encapsulation system and will ensure that that humidity stays below 55% year-round to prevent that mold regrowth, to give you better indoor air quality, and to protect the structure of the home.